Hello everybody and welcome back to Be Joy in the Kitchen. I am Be Joy and this is my kitchen located in the Bay Area of the San Francisco. Today am going to be really brief. It's Thanksgiving and I'm about to get ready for our Thanksgiving meal, but I had to just do this for y'all because I just thought, whoa, this is crazy. And I will admit this is my first time ever doing this recipe, so you're seeing it live right now. I have these are Brussels sprouts. Look at these. They're just amazing. I've seen them around like this. This is on their actual stalk, so they just go out in the field and there's whack. And here we got our Brussels sprout stalk. I found these at the farmer's market and I've always been shied away from doing them. I go, what am I going to do with them? So I asked the gal selling them and she said, really all you do is you put a little oil on them, olive oil, and throw them in the oven for 40 minutes, turn them halfway point, and they're just beautiful, and then you can eat them right off the stalk. So that's what we're going to do today, really briefly. Got my new favorite olive oil today, Newmans Own Organic. I've really come to just love this in the past, I don't know, a little while. Got my brush that I got at the paint store, washed it out first, and then I've got my olive oil in there. I'm just going to take it and honestly just do a little bit of this. Just painting it with the olive oil. I'm really excited. You can also do this outside on the barbecue, but today it's really kind of windy here for being the most expensive and most perfect weather in the country, maybe in the world. But we've got some wind today, and I just didn't feel like messing with the wind out at the barbecue today. So I've got this. Here we are, just brushing it right on. You can also use one of those spray cans of olive oil, although you can't get Newman's that way, so that's why I'm just painting it on. As you can see, super simple. I'm going to season it a little bit with what I call grandma's seasoning. This was my grandmother's recipe, and it's just merely salt, pepper, and a little paprika. And I keep it on hand all the time. Just a little bit of that seasoning on it, and you don't want to season this much before. You never want to season vegetables very long before you're going to pop them in the oven or on the barbecue or a grill or however you're going to make them. All right, so here we go. First time ever, stalk of sprouts going in my oven at 375 for the next 40 minutes. And that's what I've got for you right now. I'll be back in 40 to show you the results. Hello everybody, Be Joy in the kitchen, back 40 minutes later with our beautifully roasted stalk of Brussels sprouts. Look at that. And I just, it was merely the oven for just about 40 minutes. I turned them halfway. And I just found this amazing serving dish that fits them perfectly. It's going to go right on our Thanksgiving table. And I'm just going to put the knife out here because it's only the two of us. And you can just pull it off one at a time. And while these were cooking, I thought, I bet that it'd be nice to have them dressed up just a little. So I've put together a small vinaigrette with the Newman's olive oil, some traditional balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of stone ground mustard. So we got that there. I'm not going to put it over the whole thing because not everybody likes that, and I can guarantee you Arlene and I are not going to eat this entire stalk. But I'm going to try this right now. Wow. A delicious addition to any Thanksgiving, any kind of holiday table. They just almost went on the floor. That would have been me. Any holiday table or just during the week, just for fun. So, my wish for you this week is, as always, to be joy in your own kitchen and have a safe, hope you've had a safe, because Thanksgiving is sun's starting to go down over here. Hope you've had a safe Thanksgiving, a safe small Thanksgiving so you can have a healthy big one next year. So stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you back here with the next episode. Happy holiday.